Are you going to hospital to give birth of your baby? Or you are a medical personnel or a nursing personnel or a nursing students who is going to counsel a antenatal woman who is going to give birth of her baby to the hospital? So this video is for you. Hi, I'm Ankita Sen. Welcome to my channel Nursing Sensation. Before diving to the subject, please don't forget to subscribe my channel as because you are going to get a very informative and latest video in my channel. So let's dive in. If you're counseling a woman who is going to the hospital for giving birth of her baby, or you are a pregnant woman going to the hospital for a new arrival of a new one, so this video is really helpful for you because you should not miss any of these essentials today. What I'm going to discuss with you in your bag, you should pack all this. So today's video is on the hospital bag checklist, which you should take before leave your home for the hospital. So first, come with the documentation. In documents, what you should take first is your ID card. Second is your husband's ID card Xerox. Third one is your insurance paper if you are having. Fourth one is your hospital papers or the hospital reports. Why I'm saying this? From the starting date to the latest, we have to arrange all the papers, I mean the prescriptions in separate, and all the reports like blood test and the other USG and other tests, all are in a sequence from previous to latest one. So latest one you have to keep in a up and the previous one you have to keep in a last. So like that you have to make 3 sets of your hospital papers. First one is your prescription, second one is your blood test and other test, and third one is the ultrasound or any MRI or something is if happened. So these are the documents, important documents you should carry in your bag before leave your home. Second one is your clothing. So for you need a comfortable clothes before giving birth of your baby and also after giving birth of your baby. So for this, you have to take a front open gown or front open cloth so that it will helpful for you when you are going to give breastfeed to your baby. Okay, and you have to take some loose outfit or loose gown which is very comfortable for you, and then you have to take some nursing bra for which you can easily take out the zip or just take out the zip and you can feed your baby. So you have to take some nursing bra or nursing zip wise some cloths which is helpful for you during the giving breastfeeding of your baby. Third one is your baby's clothes. So what you have to take? New one is coming. So new clothes are very needed, but that should be washed and dry properly. So beforehand you have to buy all that, and after that you have to just wash them properly and then you have to dry them properly. Okay, so that you can make it safe for your baby. So what you have to take? One piece for your baby, which should be very soft. Okay, and you have to take the cap for your baby, socks for your baby, mittens you can take, a small towel you can take for your baby. So these are the things you can take in your bag for your new one who is coming to this world. And next come to the toilet articles. What you should take? The toiletries kit for you. You have to take your toothbrush, toothbrush, hair brush, lip balm, face wash, moisturizer, etc., etc., which you need daily basis in your home, at your home. You have to carry all that. Okay, for your baby you should carry diaper and the wipes. The diaper and wipes is for the comfort or the sensitive for the comfort for your baby, and it's good for the sensitive skin of your baby. So you have to take beforehand the diaper and the wipes for your baby. Now come to the most important thing in this era, that is phone charger or the power bank. Okay, so you have to take your phone charger, remind this and make it as a reminder. You have to take phone charger or the power bank, because if you feel to call at your home or if you are not able to communicate with your home directly, your family members, so your charger and this power bank and phone will be helpful for you in that period. Okay, and then what else you should take, like some snacks or water bottle. Some light snacks you can take because it will give you some energy after post birth. When you're giving birth to your baby, after that you need some snacks which will give you instant energy. Though after baby born, we are saying that either it's a cesarean section or a normal, as per the doctor's advice, you have to take the all the food and the fluids, but still you can start with sips of water or warm water or a liquid that is which is lightly warm, okay, like soup, you can take that. So you can carry from your home some snacks and water bottle definitely. Next, very important thing is your maternity pad or the napkins which you needed after your baby born. We know that all women are having some bleeding for some days after the baby born. So for that reason, you have to use sanitary napkin, which is not going to give you any infection in that part, because you people are very, mothers are more susceptible to get infection that period. So you have to take the sanitary napkin or the pad that time. For your comfort, you can take a small blanket or a shawl which give you comfort when you need all that. So these are the checklist of your hospital bag that a woman should keep in her bag before leave her home for the arrival of a new one. Okay, so pack all these things in a small bag which is very easy to carry. If no one is there and you are just calling for a cab and you are going alone to the hospital, you should not make it very heavy so that you are not able to carry them. So to pack all this in a small bag which should be very easy to carry, and trust me, you will thank me and you will thank yourself later on definitely. Hit like if this is helpful and write in the comment box when you are ready with your backpack, and right there, I am ready. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for this helpful videos. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed. Thanks for watching.